Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Wrangler's oil change indicator light. This simple process can be done right in your driveway after an oil service. First, make sure your vehicle is parked securely. Then, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares the system for the reset sequence we are about to perform. Now, with the ignition in the on position, you will need to fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. It is crucial to press the pedal slowly and completely to the floor for each repetition. Make sure there is a smooth, deliberate motion for every press. This specific sequence signals the vehicle's computer to begin the reset procedure for the oil change reminder. Once you have completed the 3 full accelerator pedal presses, turn the ignition key to the off position. It is important to wait for about 10 seconds after turning the ignition off. This brief pause allows the vehicle's computer system to fully register the reset command you just entered. This step is vital for the successful completion of the oil change indicator reset. Finally, start your Jeep's engine to confirm that the oil change indicator light has turned off. If the light remains illuminated, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. This process is designed to be straightforward and typically resolves the oil change reminder after your maintenance. You have successfully reset your oil change light, ensuring your vehicle's system is up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.